Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix alarm no sound issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in clock settings and turn on silence alarms when system sound is off button. After turn on this button and turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb. Click on alarms and sounds and turn on alarms buttons. After turn on alarms button and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix alarm no sound issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.